For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me, He can take away. And I hold you every night, and that's a feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please don't take. I found my mind, I'm feeling sane. It's been a while, but I'm finding my faith. If everything's good and it's great, why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I tell you, I know I've got enough. I've got peace and I've got love. But I'm up at night thinking I just might lose it all. I found my mind, I'm feeling sane. It's been a while, but I'm finding my faith. If everything's good and it's great, why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I tell you, I know I've got enough. I've got peace and I've got love. But I'm up at night thinking I just might lose it all. I want you, I need you, oh God. I need these beautiful things that I've got.
I vow to always protect you, to always keep that beautiful smile on your face, and hope that one day, when you get old and grey, our hands are still held together. I vow to you.
Okay.
Upside down.
Shay, babe,
What up?
with this ring, I promise to always love you, have your back, and do this endurance thing with you. I love you so much, babe.
Thank you.
With this ring, I vow to always love you.
Wanna smile someone in my sister. Teta pilu ya katula tule. Wanna smile someone in my sister. Tela jihadu. Wanna smile someone in my sister. Teta pilu ya katula tule. Wanna smile someone in my sister. Masha yang hohela ke buile le bafate ba ite wena o tla ntshwanela ke monna mosotho ke hela ke tlamela nka o rata letsatsi le tšhabe le be lo dikela wena ke tlo nyala ka Wanna smile someone in my sister. Sister pilu ya katula tule. Wanna smile someone